We now cut across once again live to the Guwahati Medical College and Hospital, where protests have erupted seeking justice for the Arjikar hospital rape victim. Over to you, Arindam.
That's right, Reshma. We are right now at the Guwahati Medical College and Hospital. Here also the junior doctors have staged a silent protest in solidarity demanding justice for the victim of Arjikar Hospital who was brutally gang raped and murdered. So this is the scene here outside the emergency ward of Guwahati Medical College and Hospital. Here you can see that these are the junior doctors who are staging sit-in protest here. They are protesting silently, holding placards demanding justice for the victim of Arjikar Hospital in Kolkata who was brutally gang raped and murdered. So right now the entire probe is being done by the CBI along with the Kolkata police, and a lot of people have been apprehended, arrested also in this connection. But the chorus demanding justice for the victim is growing louder. In fact, they want stringent punishment for all those involved in this heinous crime. So let me straight away go and ask a few of the doctors protesting here. Well, what you have to say regarding the horrific incident which unfolded in Kolkata?
Sir, it was a very unfortunate incident. No one should deserve such kind of death. And today we are deeply sorrow about the incidents. That's why we are silently protesting. Our protest is against the system, which it seems that they don't value our life. But we are at the end we are a basic human being. We have our family, and if any person suffer from some health condition, whole family suffers. And here the young daughter of a parent, I think single daughter, 31-year-old lady, she has brutally murdered and raped. So we have to think about to reform the society. We have to demand for the Central Protection Act, and I hope she will get justice as early as possible. And being a doctor and being a student of Guwahati Medical College, from all doctors, we are with her. We are with the students of Arjikar Medical Association, and till end, the way we can help, we will help for the cause, and we demand justice. Thank you.
So you are holding silent protest without affecting the services of the hospital, and you are also doing a signature campaign, right?
Yes, signature campaign, it's for the noble cause, and all the emergency rather than essential services are running with the help of senior faculty. But yes, we, the interns, junior residents, senior residents of all the super specialty and specialty are here to support the cause.
Thank you. So let me talk to a few more protesting doctors here who are here at the Guwahati Medical College and Hospital. Well, how do you react to the barbaric incident which unfolded in Arjikar Hospital in Kolkata?
How do I react to the barbaric incident that occurred in Kolkata? Now it has gone beyond reaction. It has gone beyond reaction because we are disheartened and we are broken. And today one of my colleagues said, look, I'm feeling nihilistic. Do you know what is nihilism? Nihilism means we have no hope. We have no hope. Everything appears dark. So, you know,
we have 5 minutes.
so we have what to do. How the answer, the question to this, the question that you all have put forward to us, that how do we assume that we are safe? How do we assume we are safe as a woman? How do we assume we are safe as a woman doctor? That who can assure us that? Now it's like, you know, many things we have been discussing. It's like we say to each other that one man for himself. We have to protect ourselves. That we can take. That we can look after. What about the crime which lurks in every corner of this maybe institute or anywhere in the streets or anywhere? Today it's a doctor. Tomorrow it is a common man. It is not reported. So, you know, how am I feeling? Right now, you know, I'm disgusted, I'm dejected, I'm feeling nihilistic, and I think my colleagues also feel the same. But we are just hoping that this great nation of our country, this great nation of India will give some sort of justice to the victim and to us, and will give us assurance in the form of implementation of the Central Protection Act or whatever it is. We are not lawmakers. We are not lawmakers. We just seek that we feel protected and we can hold our head high and walk in our workplace so that we can serve our patients better. That is our only wish, that we need to serve our patients better, properly, and the persons who are responsible for our protection do their job.
So there you see, she is one of the protesting doctors, and the placard she is holding, which reads, "When the white coat turns red, the society turns black." So these are some of the placards they are holding in their hands when they are silently protesting here, standing in solidarity with the victim of RG Kar Hospital in Kolkata, the barbaric incident which unfolded, in which a lady doctor was brutally gang raped and murdered. And right now, investigation is on. People have been arrested in connection, but yes, the chorus demanding justice for the victim is growing nationwide, and the scenario is not different here also in Guwahati Medical College and Hospital.